dear friends, I'm Jyoti with Jyoti Jhankar Beats, and today while strolling on the ridge, I come across international famed fashion designer with the Gary's label, Mr. Gaurav Gupta. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello. I'm very good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. And what about you, sir? You are Vishal?
Yeah.
Vishal Tyagi, right? I did happen to see you in the recent National Fashion Week Festival at the Gaiety Theatre, and you did a marvelous job. And there are a lot of fans of yours in Simla, in the Queen of Wales. So, sir, I would like to have a word with you, Gaurav ji. Nice to see you here. And how come you happen to be here in Simla? Are you here on some fashion ke concerning aaye hain ya?
Well, I am planning a fashion week over here by the name of India Cult Lifestyle Fashion Week.
Right.
And I am here to visit few venues so that I can finalize the venue for our show. And apart from that, I will also be doing auditions in Shimla, because I definitely want to give that opportunity to talent, because I have recently done a show over here and I have seen that this place has great talent. So I would like to give this opportunity to talent here in Shimla. And of course I would like to shortlist the best out of them.
Okay, that is great. So talent in the sense like you'll be selecting models?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that sounds good, because in the fashion week there were the girls for the fashion participating in the Miss North India contest, and you really did a great job. And so what else fascinates you about this place? Do you imbibe fashion of Himachal in your clothes?
Yes, well, no doubt Shimla is a very beautiful place, and Shimla has a rich culture. And last time when I did a show here, I observed that Shimla is rich in culture and they really have a good dressing sense. So I observed few things from here, and I would like to, imbibe those kind of vibes in my latest collection, which I will be launching in my next show.
Okay, so what is the name of the latest collection?
Well, that is something which is confidential right now, though I have not disclosed that. But yes, as soon as my show reveals in my audition, I will be revealing all those details.
Okay, and you've done fashion shows in all over the world and international scenario also. Where do you like performing, performing the best, whether in India or whether in abroad? Which is your favorite place?
Well, India is my homeland,
right?
And though I have showcased at multiple locations at different, in different countries, but as I said, India is something which is very close to my heart, and India is the place where is my most favorite place, and I would like to, showcase till last breath of my life.
Because I've seen in your fashion show you have, I think, imbibed some Rajasthani also.
Yes.
So is Rajasthani your favorite, or you imbibe from all over the different states?
Well, I really observe different cultures from all across, India, because India is rich in culture, and we really get to know and really get that kind of opportunity, and we learn from each and every location and different kind of state. So I really want to imbibe all those different vibes which I get from different states into my collection.
Okay, that sounds so good. So आपसे मिलके गौरव की बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपके आने वाला जो फैशन शो आप करने जा रहे हैं, it will be awesome, and all my good wishes to you. And bye for now, and have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.